Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Fortnite. Launch the game and open the main menu now. Once in the menu, select the gear icon to enter settings. Make sure you're on the correct profile if you have multiple accounts, since settings save per profile. You're doing this because power saving can dim visuals and lower frame rate. Toggling it off restores full graphics performance. Keep the settings screen visible so you can move straight to the video or game tab next. Now navigate to the Video or Game tab. That's where Fortnite groups display and performance toggles. Look specifically for labels like Power Saving Mode, Battery Saver, or Auto Frame Rate. Naming varies by platform. Once you find it, flip the switch from on to off. The change should apply immediately, but some platforms prompt you to confirm or restart. You're turning it off to prevent reduced texture detail and lower frame caps, so make sure the toggle shows off before moving on. After toggling power saving off, save or apply the settings and restart the game if prompted. Some changes take effect after a relaunch. Once back in the lobby or a match, scan for sharper textures and smoother frame pacing to verify success. If you still see dim visuals or stuttering, toggle it back, update your GPU drivers or device OS, and try again. If problems persist, verify game files or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.